Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, resource group, and network. Open the Azure portal and search for virtual machines. Once there, click Create. You must select subscription, resource group, and VM name. This anchors the resource. Make sure to pick a region close to users to reduce latency, then choose an OS image and size. Set admin username and strong password or SSH key. These steps get the VM creation wizard populated, so you can configure disks, networking, and security next. Once done with basics, configure storage and connectivity. Choose SSD or HDD for the OS disk and attach optional data disks for capacity or performance. Next, set up the virtual network and subnet. Assign a public IP only if you need external access. Then create or attach a network security group and add inbound rules for RDP or SSH. Be strict about ports. Enable boot diagnostics and monitoring to capture logs and metrics. These help troubleshoot performance and startup problems and make ongoing maintenance far simpler. Review all choices and click Create. Azure will validate settings and deploy resources. Watch the notifications panel. Once deployed, connect using SSH or RDP to verify the OS, install updates, and start necessary services. Make sure the VM has the right tags for billing and backups are scheduled. If something goes wrong, use the serial console and boot diagnostics to inspect boot logs, check network security group rules, and confirm subscription quotas. These are the fastest ways to find and fix common deployment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.